Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit a couple of the Fujifilm X-T2 photos, and this one is the 35mm f1.4. So let's get started. I'm gonna use the U3 for this one, and then just to reduce the exposure a little bit. This is the direct sunlight, and then later on I will have some backlight as well. So let me increase the contrast, reduce the exposure a little bit more, and then do a slightly crop it 4:5 crop for the Instagram. Slightly position the portrait in the center, and then let me adjust that, and then do the HSL. I'm gonna reduce the blue of the image, so it's concentrating on the more brown color. So let me reduce the brightness a little bit. So okay, so let me save it. And then next one, so this one is on the street, and then it's using the 35mm f1.4 as well. So we can use a C8 to be a brown color tone. You can see the different tone has a different style on it, and we can use A6 also. A6 has a different light frame tone in here as well. So let me try the A6, let's see how it goes, and then we can try the one that in E5 as well. I can do two different tones for this one. So let me slightly rotate and then reduce the cropping a little bit, slightly more perpendicular to the ground, so and leave more headroom on the top for the bokeh, for the 35mm f1.4 bokeh. And then let me adjust the room a little bit. Okay, and then when I hold the image, I can see the before and after to see the difference. And let me save this one first, and then I'm gonna use a different tone for this. So let's try the E5 for this one. So it has a little bit of faded tone in here. So this is the E5 style, so let me save the E5 style as well. And the next one I can do the, let me try the U3, let's see. I can do the HB2, but with maybe 70% of HB2, and then increase the contrast so that it's nice golden light. So you can use HB2 for the sunset edit. So let me save this one, and then with the sunlight, give more headroom on the top, and let me reduce a little bit more. Yep, so increase, I'm going to increase the contrast even a bit more. So, and the base of the profile is the classic chrome, and then I use the HB2 for this overall color. And once I finish that, I'm gonna paste it to here. Yep, so I paste it, and then 4:5 crop for this one. Okay, so I can increase the contrast a little bit. You can see the before and after. I can even make it even a little bit brighter, but not too bright, and like this, and then save it. Save this one, and let me copy, and then paste these two in here. Okay, so let me slightly rotate it a little bit. I'm gonna crop it so that it's more impact on the side profile for this image, and it has a sunlight from the left to right. So let me save this one, and then let me edit this one as well. Okay, so let me see how the lighting. Okay, cool. So that's it. That's how I tone it using the HB tool for the sunset style. And thank you so much for watching all my editing video, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye. Thanks.